Everyone, did you know this? Instant ramen becomes a gourmet dish in Korea. I'm revealing that magical reality right now. At 11 p.m., Seoul's convenience stores never sleep. This one machine has captured the taste buds of the world. The taste of eating with the Han River breeze? This is the iconic Han River Ramyeon you can't miss in Korea. The Korean hangover cure. A bowl of spicy ramen with crunchy bean sprouts washes away yesterday's fatigue. Is this a library or a restaurant? Over 500 types of ramen are waiting for your choice. The taste from the movie Parasite. The world of Modisumers mixing two different noodles is endless. Ramen eaten at 1,000 meters above sea level tastes more precious than any Michelin dish. The eternal partners of ramen, danmuji and kimchi. This crunchy texture neutralizes the spiciness. A dented nickel-silver pot stained with time. Market ramen with an auntie's touch is the taste of home. It's spicy enough to bring tears, but I can't stop. The K-Ramyeon Spicy Challenge has become a global culture. Full of ocean treasures, seafood ramen boiled by Jeju Haenyeo is truly a health food. Memories of school days, eating raw crushed noodles. Do you know the crispy joy of shaking them with the powder? Everyone, could you have imagined this? The transformation of ramen breaking all common sense continues. Why does ramen taste better at a PC room? It's a mysterious secret of flavor only Koreans know. Cool down in summer. Bibimbap with ice cubes is the best delicacy to blow away Korea's heat. Now, ramen reaches the realm of hotel gourmet. Evolution from commoner's food to high-class cuisine. The dignity of K-Ramyeon exported worldwide. Millions of packets are born here every single day. The flower of camping is definitely ramen. Ramen boiled over a wood fire warms even the soul. The magic of cheese softly embracing the spice. It's one of the best combinations most loved by Koreans. A taste no Korean man who served in the military can forget, Ppogeuri. I miss that taste of memories. The moment the magic powder is dropped, this red broth awakens the Korean soul. In a deep rural village, Grandma's cauldron ramyeon is the taste of love warmer than anything in the world. Look at these colorful packages. These are not just food, they are edible art. The slurping sound is the best compliment in Korea. It's clear proof that the food is truly delicious. The secret of the Ramyeon Lab. Science and passion are contained in even a single strand of noodle. Too big to eat alone? The joy of ramen doubles when shared together. If you finish the noodles, now it starts. Dipping rice into the remaining soup is the real finale. Just one can of tuna is enough. Savory and rich tuna ramen becomes the best delicacy. Transformation of the cup noodle lid. It's a wise survival skill Koreans use when there's no plate. The aesthetics of 550 milliliters. Water control is the most important rule that determines the taste of ramen. A bowl of ramen with stir-fried kimchi. It's a magical combination that makes daily life special. A glamorous transformation to eat with your eyes first has begun. On a rainy day, hot soup inside a street stall. It delivers warmth warmer than any comfort. The power of garlic and onions. The secret ingredient that completes the Korean palate. The beauty of ramen through the lens. It's also the hottest subject heating up social media. For busy workers, ramen is a grateful friend and solid energy source. The spicy broth that catches the oiliness is a fantastic partner. The road to becoming a chopstick master. There's the fun of rolling up the noodles and popping them in. Curry meets ramen. The deep and rich aroma presents happiness. Did you know there are ramen sommeliers? It's the persistent effort of Koreans for the perfect noodle texture. The dynamics of noodles jumping into boiling water. The most fluttering moment when the delicious wait begins. The charm of brothless ramen. It's stir-fried noodles with superb chewy texture and intense sauce flavor. The secret of a spoonful of peanut butter. The savory flavor like tan noodles will break your common sense. The taste of blowing it cool. The love for ramyeon started from childhood is a lifelong bond. In the cold wind of the harbor at dawn, a hot bowl of cup noodles melts the body and soul. Harmony of chewy rice cakes and overflowing cheese. Ramyeon is a canvas of cooking capable of infinite transformation. What if you boil it with milk instead of water? A savory and soft reversal of taste is waiting for you. A ramyeon party of overwhelming scale. Korea's mukbang culture stretched worldwide together with ramyeon. Luxurious meeting of Japanese food and ramyeon. The popping texture raises the dignity of ramyeon a level higher. Savory finish of seaweed and sesame seeds. One small detail determines the completion of ramyeon. Soft-boiled eggs smooth temptation. You won't be able to forget that taste of popping it in the soup. Ramyeon of accurate taste boiled by a robot. A new experience where future tech and traditional taste met. A rich table enjoyed with one sausage. Ramyeon can become as diverse as your imagination. Late at night, a warm broth supporting your dreams. Ramyeon is a solid companion in the loneliest times. Hot until the last bite. Ramyeon contained in a stone pot resembles Korean passion. Elegant transformation of ramyeon, pasta style. Italian taste and Korean noodles blend fantastically. Refreshing reversal of a drop of vinegar. A Korean secret tip that makes a cleaner and deeper soup taste. Now ramyeon has become a culture to learn. People all over the world are falling deeply for K-Food's charm. A healthy bowl of ramyeon full of mushroom aroma. Containing nature's taste, it presents deeper and richer flavor. Unstoppable wave of red temptation. The heat of Korean ramyeon doesn't cool down and gets hotter. Harmony of soft tofu and spicy ramyeon. Experience that smoothness that melts in your mouth. Freshness completed with a slice of lemon. There is no fixed answer in the world of ramyeon. A bowl of ramyeon enjoyed with market merchants' vitality. A friendly scene full of the smell of living people. Unique street combo. Various recipes beyond imagination will surprise you. The taste you can't give up even after working out. A smart ramyeon packed with nutrition by adding chicken breast. Luxurious ramyeon enjoyed looking at the city night view. The moment the most common food shines most glamorously. Deep taste of a spoonful of gochujang. A Korean tip for you who want a thicker and richer broth. Odd blending of book scent and ramyeon smell. A peaceful time filling the heart and stomach simultaneously. Savory temptation of crispy garlic chips. The fun of chewing and deep aroma adds to ramyeon's charm. The power of K-Ramyeon reaching 150 countries. Now ramyeon has become a language the whole world enjoys together. More savory by adding scorched rice. A perfect meal with nothing to waste until the last drop. Refreshing finish of green onions. A magical touch capturing both sight and taste. Ramyeon eaten within the excitement of waiting for a train. A precious taste together with the start and end of a trip. Fantastic meeting of king dumplings and ramyeon. It will be the best choice for you who want a solid meal. A burger made with noodles instead of bread. Creative challenges crossing boundaries continue. Korean life and passion contained in this red broth. Don't you want to share that special story together? Now it's your turn. Can you resist this red temptation? Global soul food K-Ramyeon. We become one and share joy through this taste. A bowl of ramyeon that will make you happy tonight. Which flavor will you choose? Everyone, were you just boiling Shin Ramyeon the usual way? After watching this, your ramyeon life will change forever. What on earth is this? I'm revealing the one secret tip that would surprise even a Michelin chef. The first golden rule: 550 milliliters of water. Don't eyeball it. 90% of the flavor is decided right here. Put the soup powder in before it boils. It raises the boiling point, making the noodles much chewier. Now today's key secret: it's minced garlic. It instantly boosts that deep Korean flavor and aroma. Let the noodles breathe. Lifting them repeatedly makes the texture incredibly firm due to the temperature gap. Final tip: a drop of vinegar. The acidity maximizes the noodle's elasticity. Don't break the yolk. It's done. Chewy noodles and deep broth. How about a bowl of Shin Ramyeon tonight? Your Korean neighbor, delivering Korea's real charm. Join this delicious journey with a subscription and like.